It's like.
Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and tonight we got a great race for you guys. This is the first ever mini FPV race here at Pheasantland RC Park. I got a guy, Brandon, who is from the Northeast Extension area. You know, he's good at making babies, something we'll call him Brandon Extension. We have Kyle.
That's me.
Kyle's known to have 50 wins on social media somewhere. I think it's recorded, right? So we'll just call him Kyle. Next to me to the left is Kyosho Box Stock Aaron, who could have my money on the night. And then we had the ringer, who is driving
Pete.
For the Ovalrc, and it's Pistol Pete. So we got a couple cars from FMS and their FPV cars. This is what they look like right here. These guys will be putting the goggles down over their head. They'll be looking through these cameras here. The cars won't be looking very fast, but to these guys, it's going to seem like they're going around the track pretty quick.
Yeah, this is pretty much.
I haven't even moved yet. It's going like 100 miles an hour.
Yeah. And this is just the first race, so if you guys are checking back on our live, we'll be doing a live show. We'll be doing a 4-race series here for points.
I just like that Aaron's blinkers on the whole time, like an old man.
I know. All right.
How do I turn that off?
And before we get started, I just want to say this is the Bloodline RC crew here. They got a YouTube channel. Check them out, Bloodline RC.
We also got
And
J-Body.
Pete is driving for Ovalrc. It's J-Body RC. You guys ready to do this?
I'm going to win.
Let's do it.
FMSHobby.com. Check them out. That's where you can get these FPV cars. They're awesome. The winner will get to celebrate in Victory Lane. I know you can't see it, guys, but I have poppers here to celebrate in Victory Lane. Somebody's going to be able to do this. Here's the rules.
Is there champagne?
Yes. No. We will start somewhere over here. I'll line you up. Everybody else here is watching, so we're going to run 10-lap heat, and then we're going to run a 20-lap feature for the win, okay? So I'll start you guys. Huh?
You're ambitious.
I think we can do 10 laps, and if I yell caution, I'm going to line you back up. So I need some help here so we can tell who's where, okay?
Brandon, you need to walk away.
Let's get started. All right, drivers, get in position. Now we do have to keep spread out a little bit because the interference is real bad, right? How's the interference, guys?
Now it's good that he walked away.
Looking good? All right, you look great. Let me get the cars out on the track. Who is number one? That is Extension Brandon. 2, we got 50 win Kyle.
Oh, God. Wow.
3, Kyosho Box Stock.
The
4, my ringer. And we're going to go 10 laps. If I yell caution, stop, we'll line you back up again. 10 laps. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Whoa, they're getting around here pretty quick already. Somebody is making quick time in that white car. I don't know who it is, going down here in 3 and 4. They got a half a lap on the field already. Now lapping the field. Who's in the white car? That's our leader right there.
Thanks, Brandon.
Brandon in the lead.
Take my money back.
Lap number 4. We got 4 laps down. Brandon's lapping the field, it looks like, in that white BMW. Oh, wait, they're all BMWs. Brandon going down the back stretch right now. Wow, making quick time here.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Brandon 10, though, and he's doing good. What lap we on now? He's into the wall.
How am I not leading?
The drivers are having a tough time.
I got the interference really bad.
I think it's past it.
Got interference going.
There you go.
7. Is Brandon still in the
No
lead?
way!
Yep, Brandon in
I
the
passed the
lead.
white car 3 times.
No,
He
you
passed
passed
2
the
white
white
cars.
car.
Oh, God.
Aaron, I think, is in a white car. No,
I
Aaron's
passed
in
both.
What are we at now? 8. 2 flags out for Brandon in the white car. He's driving car number 1, coming across the line. 1 lap to go, right?
That was it right there.
Oh, that was it right there. All right, Brandon takes the win. Heat win number 1 right there.
As soon as you need something.
Winner of the heat.
Oh yeah.
Was from the Bloodline RC crew, and that's Brandon. Brandon, tell us
Hey.
about that race you had. You had some static going on in the...
Yeah, had a little bit of interference going on.
Yeah, but you had no
Couldn't
trouble
see.
getting through, huh?
I had a little bit of trouble, got into the wall, but
Okay.
got her righted. And
Anybody give you problems out there that you want to note?
Kyle.
I kind of thought that. It looked like Kyle, but I couldn't really tell. What about Pete and Box Stock Kyosho over there?
Surprisingly, Pete stayed out of my way.
Pete's still making up laps
and
that he
Aaron,
missed
I don't
out
know
on,
where-
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't know where Aaron was.
Are you ready to go for the feature?
Hell yeah.
Here we go.
Who jumped
Feature
the start?
time, feature time. Who is ready to pull the cord on those poppers right there? Got J-Body RC, Pete standing right there. We have Kyosha Box Stock over on the far side.
Yeah, I got 4.
Kyle.
All right, I'll
and
take
winner of that
3.
heat
I'll
was
take
Brandon.
Aaron.
We
Corey,
got
you
a
got.
lot of people here.
Who's got me? Wait, which one's the start finish?
This is the start.
All right.
Got guys keeping track.
Who wants to carry or call Brandon? Somebody got Brandon?
Jax, you got Brandon?
Dude, don't
He's
trust
the number
Jackson.
one.
Oh, hell no. I don't
How
want it.
many
All right,
little
Brent
Brandon-
got it. Jax probably can't count that.
I got you, Brandon.
No, you don't.
I seen Jax try to count out change.
Yeah.
How many laps are going?
50.
Get me.
50? 30?
Oh,
I only got 1 bar of battery.
Do you?
Yes.
30 then.
30 laps.
Yeah.
30
Well, it's
laps.
back up to 3.
Okay.
40.
All right. We got Kyle on the, no, Brandon on the pole.
I'm right here.
Kyle now he finished second. Are you guys ready to go?
Yes.
Feature time. Somebody will celebrate in victory lane. Okay, guys, don't forget the car we're using today is the FMS Bug Racing FPV car. Check it out at fmshobby.com.
Wait, do we all look like space rabbits?
You do. You look great.
Because Pete looks like a space rabbit right now.
We're going 30 laps.
I count by 5 speed.
30 lap feature.
Uno, dos.
Ready,
I'm ready.
set, go.
Yo, somebody definitely just wrecked.
Brandon ain't even
Restart.
No, that's perfect.
Okay, we're trying to get this race in. We got,
Wait, who got Brandon?
we're gonna have a 10 lap feature here.
I got
Batteries are just about dead. We ran out of battery juice. We had to charge up the
Brandon,
cars a
what are
little
you?
bit.
Brandon. He's 1.
Everybody ready?
I got 1.
10 laps, feature time. Here we go. Go ahead. A little bit of a messed up start here, guys. We're
I
backwards.
can't
Hang
see
on,
anything.
caution.
Oh, come on!
I can't see anything.
All right, they're lined back
We're doing a
up.
complete restart?
Complete
Yes.
restart, no laps in.
I'm counting Kyle.
Go.
I got 4 and 3.
Got a pile up down turn 1, underway. Blue car out in the lead. Number 3. Oh, he just got passed by number 1.
Great.
That's what these
Brandon,
guys are
run it
looking
all the
through
way
right here. You can see they got a little bit of static. That's what we're seeing.
All the way around.
All right. Hold on.
It's pretty awesome.
Working great.
We got a tight battle right there between 1 and 3. 2 laps in. Car number 1 in the lead. That's Brandon. He is putting a whooping on the field. The other guys are starting to get their bearings a little bit. Now Brandon into the wall. This guy's dealing with interference in the goggles in this building here. Brandon looking pretty good. How many laps? How many? 6 laps in. 4 to
Someone
go.
just went on to me head on.
So far ahead of
Is that Brandon in front of me? Ah,
Lap number 7, 3 to go for Brandon and car number 1. We got 1 going backwards. Lap number 8. A white flag right here. 9 laps in, 1 to go. Brandon stuck along the wall right now.
Check it.
Brandon taking the win. Woo! And he does burn out down there in 3 and 4. Winner of the first FPV race, Brandon. Man, tell us about that win you had there. The car looked pretty good.
That was awesome. Car felt good. Hey.
Tell us about what you're seeing through those goggles there.
They look slow on the table, but I'll tell you
But
what.
they're flying,
It's
right?
flying.
A little bit of static,
A
right?
little bit of static, but it's workable.
Brandon, you get to celebrate victory.
Yeah.
Ladies, let's go ahead over there. Ready?
very nice.
Bloodline RC takes the win tonight. Brandon picking up the win. First 4-car FPV race, I think, on YouTube.
I think so.
Brandon's the winner. Congratulations, Brandon. Way to go. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you, fmshobby.com, for supplying these cars here. We had a great time, and you can do it.
Yes.
We did it.
Yes.
Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.
They turn early.